Well, Julie, a judge denied bond today for Lirio Jasmine Gondinez Gonzalez. Her defense attorney says his client is not guilty of any wrongdoing and is not a flight risk, as the court determined due to the possibility that she could face additional charges. The 33-year-old, who the Commonwealth says was in this country illegally, was charged with felony child neglect after the 7-month-old she was babysitting died. Ashley Michelle Bonilla Rodriguez was hospitalized December 27th with severe head trauma after a reported fall. She died 2 days later. At today's bond hearing, Gonzalez's attorney said that the baby was fussy and his client tried to console her for 2 hours before he says she started convulsing and was unresponsive. He says Gonzalez called the baby's mother and an ambulance. However, the family says that Gonzalez refused to call 911 and they had to get paramedics to respond to that Chesterfield apartment. The Commonwealth denied the babysitter's claims, explaining given the extent of her injuries, the child would have been in a comatose state rather than crying at the time the sitter alleges. The medical examiner has ruled this is a homicide after it was determined the baby suffered skull fractures and internal bleeding from blunt force trauma. The Commonwealth says in court that she was hit in multiple parts of her head. Gonzalez and her common-law husband have a 2-year-old son together. She is from Mexico and has been in the United States for 3 years. She currently has an ICE detainer. Her attorney says they will fight today's ruling. A preliminary hearing is scheduled for next month. Working for you in studio tonight, Laura French, CBS 6 News.